KCOM's always been different, even small things like cream phone boxes. Our history started from the council 120 years ago, wanting to be pioneering, wanted to do it the whole way, as it's called here.
When we first met with the KCOM team, they knew that they wanted to modernise and transform their finance function.
A lot of us had stayed in the business for a long period of time, couldn't see how the rest of the industry had moved, and therefore how we could really leverage the opportunities that are out there from new systems, new ways of working, new processes.
EY was the right option because you were de-risking the migration by moving to, with a partner that was reputable. It's an EY team, you know you're going to get good calibre people.
We really looked at the end-to-end technology and looked at what the future finance team should look like, so bringing together an EY managed services team with an internal KCOM team.
I actually think the biggest thing was about the relationships we built. It felt really like one team, and they were all focused on delivering and migrating and reaching that point.
We were up and running within 9 months, fully migrated across, legacy system turned off, support costs come through, and we're now ready to look forward.
You try and put an ERP system in and it can take you years, and it'll take you twice as long, it'll cost you double, and it probably isn't as good as you want it to be. So we were going to a product that, we had seen the demos, we had talked to the team, and it really did feel the right option for us.
EY have invested in a whole range of technologies and tools, which means that our clients are able to save on significant upfront capital outlay. In KCOM's case, that was around £4 million worth of upfront capital expenditure.
It was a savings, but it's also about the capability improvement, and that we now have our finance team concentrating on the added value part and not on the creation of the numbers. We have reduced the time to close our month end, and we have actually made it cheaper to do that. So, and at the same time adding capabilities. So you put all that together and it's a really big win for us.
You could read the 101 on how to make successful transformations, and I would say the way that both organisations came into it, they ticked every box.